Good morning, first grade friends, and happy Monday. I hope you had an amazing weekend. I would love to hear about something fun that you did this weekend. Comment below, either use a voice recording or type something fun that you did. I would love to hear about what you did over the weekend. I am here to share our morning message of the day, and I'm going to share your to-dos for today. But before we start reading our message this morning, Miss Field would like to give you a virtual fist bump explosion. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Good morning. Oh, I miss you all so much. We are starting week 8 of distance learning, and Miss Field can't even believe we have been apart for this many weeks. And I want to give you a virtual squeeze over the camera because I am so proud of all of you. You are doing amazing things, and I want you to keep up the amazing work because Miss Field can see it, and I'm so proud of you. So keep up the amazing job. I know it can be difficult, but I'm so proud of you, and I want you to know that. So here we go. You can read the message right along with me. Hello, Firsties. Today is Monday, May 18th, 2020. I hope you had a fun weekend. Today, we will be working on letters G and H for your memory book. So you have been doing so many amazing writing pieces. I would love to see them. You are doing G and H today. We are also learning about words that say OI. So there's two different ways, OI and OY, but they both say OI this week, like in the words point and joy. Now here's my little trick that you will learn in one of the videos to come today. If you see OI in a word, just know that that is always going to be in the middle of the word. Do you see how it's in the middle of the word? But OY comes at the end of a word. So sometimes we get a little confused because they both say OI, and sometimes we're confused on which two letters to put. So OI goes in the middle and OY usually goes at the end. You will also practice story problems in math today. Keep working hard. You have art today. Be kind. Love, Miss Field. All right, friends, here is a list of your to-dos today. I know I said some of them already, but these are your jobs that you're going to be working on. So for letter C, you are going to continue to draw conclusions, and there's something on Seesaw for you to do for that. In your memory book, you are going to be working on letters G and H. You have an OI and OI, making words on Seesaw today. You are going to be showing Miss Field, I know we started this before distance learning, but you're going to be showing Miss Field what you remember about measuring in inches on Seesaw and solving story problems or word problems in math today. And there's a new riddle of the day. And remember that there's 2 pages. I know I still am seeing a couple of friends forget the second page. So once you have taken a guess at what you think the riddle is, make sure you click the next arrow because it will tell you what it is after you've guessed. And there's always a question to go along with it. And I love to see your answers for those questions. So remember to do both pages. I am going to come on tomorrow and give you 3 clues on who our new star student of the week is. So you have to be patient. Those clues will be coming out tomorrow. I hope you have a marvelous Monday. I hope you enjoy your learning and your playing, and I will see you soon, friends. Goodbye. Have a wonderful day.